How to see when someone followed you on Instagram. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. If you're using an older version, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and update it before continuing. Now, open Instagram and find the profile of the person you follow or who follows you. Open their profile, then tap the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. A menu will appear with different options. From this menu, tap on See Shared Activity. In the middle of the screen, you will see the date when this person followed you. Just below that, you will see the date when you followed them. The exact time is not displayed, but you will see the month and year. This feature is useful for tracking how long you have been connected with someone. It can help you identify recent followers or check when you started following someone. Keep in mind that you can only see this information for people you already follow or who follow you. That's how to see when someone followed you on Instagram.